Today I'm going to be showing you some of the most spectacular views in all of London. We're on the 29th floor at 251 Southwark Bridge Road, and imagine owning this home and having a view like this every single day. Now, while that is spectacular, the apartment is equally as stunning. So let's get ready to give you a look. Let's get started. Starting from the living room, this apartment absolutely maintains a stunning feel, really in line with the skyline that we saw. We're in the lounge space here, and I've known this vendor for quite some time, and we actually helped him decorate this apartment to what you see now. I absolutely love the attention to detail that was applied throughout. So we really were able to showcase the stunning floor-to-ceiling balcony windows that give you that perspective of the London skyline, but you've got these gorgeous windows here as well. What I love about the decorating and the upgrades that we've made here is that they create a really nice balance. What would have been a generic modern apartment has truly been transformed into a luxury home. You've got the dark hardwood floors and a herringbone pattern that creates the backdrop for everything you do to style it. And really here, by creating this lounge space, you've got the TV featured on the wall. It's mounted. It's not obtrusive in any way, but allows you to have that functionality, as well as having a lounge space that segues beautifully into the kitchen. Now we're in the kitchen space, and given that this is an open plan, it is so important to get the elements right because you've got the sophisticated living room right in front of you. But I love this. This is actually a portable counter space that can be, moved around. But it is so in line with the existing counter space. So you've got a beautiful granite countertop here that complements the existing ones. I love the bar stools that have been used here, creating some natural elements to go with the more sleek and stylish interior. Obviously, as a modern apartment, you're going to have everything you need, from full-size fridge, freezer, dishwasher, microwave, and oven, but styled beautifully and really in keeping and in line with the look and feel of this modern luxury flat. This is truly one of my favorite spaces in this apartment, and it is the third bedroom that has really now been beautifully configured as flexible to be a home office or still maintained as a third bedroom. I love the French door styled metallic doors and kind of a cretonne styled design. It opens beautifully into the lounge space here. Here, the owner has featured a beautiful, stylish daybed, but you could certainly get a proper bed in there. There's also space for a desk, wardrobe, and anything else you need as a third bedroom. But in terms of style and practicality, those doors are truly the showstopper. In London, it's often a struggle to get two bathrooms, but this property has two bathrooms. This is the family bathroom, including a tub here. It's a really nice size space. There's also an ensuite off of the primary bedroom as well. Again, it's been updated and upgraded with beautiful, sleek tiling in a black and white monochrome theme, but definitely in keeping with the style and feel of luxury that is present throughout the flat. Now we're in the primary or master bedroom, and this is truly a beautiful space to wake up in. I love that they put a bit of color into this room here. You've got a lovely mauve color on the walls here, as well as this featured wall of wallpaper here, just to bring a little bit of interest into the space here. But balanced with white bedding, it is truly lovely, serene, and offers a bit of interest. There's also the second bedroom, which is perfect for family members or guests, as well as still having that third bedroom that we feature. So we are going to end our tour back in the winter garden because this is truly the jewel of this home. It is beautifully styled and designed. I love this feature wall of tile here. It's a perfect place to feature your table and can actually be where you use as a formal dining room or as a home office, but to have this magnificent view every day will make it so very special. I really love this apartment and I hope you do too. If you're looking for a spectacular home in London at a fantastic price point, then definitely reach out because 251 Southwark Bridge Road has so much to offer.